Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox crashing problem. So if you're continuously having this problem, then follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's move on. First step, you can see Roblox icon on your PC and right click on the Roblox icon and click on properties. Once you do that, this tab will open up. Once this tab opens up, where it says compatibility, you want to choose that. Once you're inside compatibility, where it says run this program in compatibility mode, tick mark this. Once you do that, where it says Windows 8, you want to click on it. Once you do that, make sure you select Windows 7 from over here. Now once you do this, what you want to do is disable full screen optimization. Make sure you tick mark this, and where it says run this program as an administrator, make sure to tick mark this. Once both of this is tick marked, what you want to do is click on where it says apply and click on OK, and your problem should be fixed. If it is not fixed, make sure to come back to this part where it says compatibility and click on run compatibility troubleshooter. Once you do that, it'll detect the issue what you have and wait for some time. It's going to take a bit of time, so let's wait. And then click on try recommended settings and click on test the program, and it's going to say this. Once you see installing Roblox, your problem should be fixed after this processing is over. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix a Roblox crashing issue. So just click on OK, click on cancel and OK, and it should be done. So hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.